Okay, we're going to check week 24 daily language. Go ahead and make sure you have a different color pen or marker so that you can make corrections as we go. And you can always press the pause button in the lower left-hand corner as you make your corrections. So does he go to George Washington Elementary School? Or it says do, but it's even hard to read that because it's not correct. So do should be does. Does he go to George Washington Elementary School? That's the actual name of a school, so you have to capitalize every single word in the name. So George Washington Elementary and School. And we need to end with a question mark because it's a question. Don't forget to ask for a receipt. Okay, the don't needs a capital D. You need the apostrophe because it's a contraction for do not. And then we need a period at the end because this is a command or a statement. Write one sentence for each homophone pair. So these are words that sound alike, but they're spelled differently. Both of these words sound the same. There. The only way we can tell which way to spell it is by how it's used in a sentence. So in this one, we say they're good friends, and they apostrophe R-E really means they are, and that's what I mean in this instance. So when you mean to say they are, you want to use T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. There are 4 friends. Okay, there you go. Dear and dear, these sound exactly the same, but we'll figure out what the meaning is and how to spell them based on the sentence. My dear friend is so kind. So D-E-A-R is a term of liking somebody. It's a term of affection. And I saw a deer in the field. This is D-E-E-R is an animal. Fact or opinion, that book is too long to read in a week. That's an opinion because some people may think that it is not. Okay, we bought shampoo, soap, and a toothbrush at the store. Capital We, beginning of a sentence. We have a list of 3 things, so they need commas in between. Shampoo, comma, soap, comma, and a toothbrush at the store need a period because it is a statement. Have you memorized your phone number? Now, you apostrophe R-E means you are, and that's not what you mean here, so you cannot use that one. Have you memorized your phone number? Nope, that's not what you mean. So you use the other your, which means it belongs to you, as the phone number does, Y-O-U-R. Which one is a sentence? Karen and Samantha into the store window. We study rocks and minerals and science. And that's kind of funny because that's exactly what we're studying now. This is the sentence. This one, hopefully you notice, is missing a verb. You have to have a verb to have a sentence. It can be an action verb. It can be a linking verb. It can be an action verb with a helping verb, but it has to have a verb. Okay, A, B, or C. The book report is due October 7th, 1997. Hopefully you chose B, because that is the correct answer. The comma goes after the day in between the year. That's the only place you need a comma. Did you visit Denver, Colorado last summer? Okay, hopefully you chose C, because capital D for Denver, comma between the city and the state, capital C for Colorado. All right. North is to south as east is to west. They're opposites. Child is to children. This is the singular and this is the plural. So hopefully you saw that. Party is to parties. So singular to plural. Is the subject or predicate underlined? It is definitely the subject that is underlined. The subject is who or what is doing the verb, which is loving. So that is the I. He has ate all of his dinner and the dessert. He has, capital H, he has eaten. We don't say ate, we say eaten. He has eaten all of his dinner and dessert. Okay. My friends Robin and Lucia. So we need to, my friends and Robin and Lucia mean the exact same thing. So when you say the same thing in a row twice, you have to put the second one in commas. So my friends, comma, Robin and Lucia, comma, have bunk beds in, not in them room, in their room. And it needs to be T-H-E-I-R because that is the there that shows that something belongs to you. And you need a period at the end. Okay. Where did the following take place? The waitress came to the table to take our order. Hopefully you said a restaurant. Okay, I'm not going to finish taping that, so restaurant. Mr. Alvarez, the art teacher, passed out our out glue for our project. So you could say school, you could say art class. We memorized the poem called The Sneeze in English class. So capital W for we, memorize the poem. Now it's telling us a poem, so then you should know, how do I write a poem? Well, I know the title needs to be capitalized, so we do that. And the poem should be in quotation marks. And English is the name of a class, so it needs to be capitalized. I don't have no time to go. Are you going? First of all, there's lots of things wrong here. Never, never, never when you're talking about yourself, have a lowercase I. I don't care if you're texting, if you're writing, anything, just never do it. So capital I, don't is do not. It's a contraction, so we need an apostrophe. Have, we don't say I don't have no time. You say I don't have any time to go. And this is a separate thought. So we have two thoughts here, so we need to break it into two sentences, period. Are you going? Capital A and a question mark at the end. Which words have 3 syllables? Charming, nope, that's 2. Marigold, that one's 3. Participate, that's 4. Tremendous, that is 3. Okay, let's see. Which reference source would you use? The local phone number for the fire department. You would use the telephone book. What Jim Henson is known for? You would use the encyclopedia. The street Kim Lee lives on? You would use a telephone book. They actually have that information. The opposite of the word push, you would look in a dictionary. And a picture of a koala bear would be in the encyclopedia. All right, guys. Make your corrections. Put a giant star on the top of every page so I know you corrected it.